All right, guys, Anthony here, Super Service. Jason's here. He's here, just flew in this morning. I wanted him to see the truck before the cab went down. And I already made one video about this, but now I got the exhaust. We just finished it, got the exhaust all done. Man, look at that. I mean, okay. I'll go ahead and give away some stuff that we did here. Band clamps on it. Those are good clamps. Anybody that says those aren't good clamps, I mean, they're just freaking idiots. Move the hangers. See, we moved this hanger. This is now just a hanger. This is not an attachment slash hanger combination, what the heck ever. So, yeah, just a hanger. Now, let's go down here and take a look underneath it. Silverline exhaust. I mean, is it perfect? Not really. Is it better than most? I wouldn't doubt it. See that hanger? I had to cut this off. They had this a little long. So I cut the end of this hanger off. Then over here, we did have to use the U-bolt for this connection because they actually got this one right on it. So this one is right where it needs to be. I did make a little extension. I got an extension plate so we could hang the hanger down lower. But it's, I mean, it's right where it needs to be. Then the problem we've got on the back though is the tailpipe tip on the end. The clamp, the cheesy freaking clamp, the way that they put to attach the clamp is just stupid. It don't work. So we'll have to just get the clamp welded on, get the tip welded on. But if you look here, I mean, it's, let's see if you can see it. You can't really see much. It's a little off. See, just a little bit. It's a little off and crooked, but it's pretty solid. I think it'll be really freaking good. Pretty good space away from the tire right here. Yeah, I thought I would just show. We do. Damn, that bump stop looks white. It's actually yellow. Bump stops are in. We put new bump stops in the front too. How you doing? We got new bump stops in the front. Went ahead and put those in too. That's all done. But Jason said he don't want to drop the cab. He wants to just drive it home. Just somehow drive it home without dropping the cab. Which we're getting ready to go ahead and drop it down, and let's you know, let's put some heat in it. Let's let her eat. So just another quick little video showing the exhaust. One thing I don't know, we'll find out how well it clears the pinch weld up there. Find out, because if it don't, she might get a little massaging. She might get massaged until she feels better. All right, guys, that's it. I just thought I'd show that Silverline exhaust. All right, guys, have a good day.